Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to add a location to your service in Acuity Scheduling so clients know exactly where to show up, whether it's a physical address, Zoom link, or even a phone call. Let's make your bookings crystal clear and avoid any confusion. Start by logging into your Acuity account. Once you're in the dashboard, look at the sidebar on the left and click Appointment Types. Now, choose the service you want to add a location to. For example, initial consultation or massage session. Click Edit next to the service name and then scroll down until you find the Show a Message After Scheduling section. This is where you'll add your location instructions, for example, for physical location, such as 123 Walnut Street, Suite 2A, Zoom link, if it's through online, or a message saying you'll receive a call at your scheduled time. These details will also appear in the client's confirmation email, so keep it short, clear, and helpful. Once you're done adding the location, just scroll down and click Save. Repeat the same process for your other services if needed. And that's it. You've just added a location to your Acuity Scheduling service. Now your clients will always know where to go, whether it's a physical space or on an online call, quick, easy, and fully optimized for 2025 bookings.